Hello cat people! How are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a makeup challenge.
Hello guys, how are you? My name is Stefania Christodoulou and I am from Cyprus. Today we are going to do a mini collaboration with Antigoni. I'm also a YouTuber and a freelance makeup artist, and we decided to collab with Antigoni to post a mini challenge on my YouTube channel and also on her YouTube channel. My challenge for Antigoni is to use all of the colors from my eyeshadow palette called Rainbow Palette. Many of you may not know that I am a small business owner here in Cyprus. I have a makeup brand called Your Makeup Stories, and my challenge for Antigoni is to use all the colors from my palette and create a magical makeup look. Can't wait to see the results, and of course I'm sure it's gonna be great. Antigoni, thank you so much once again. Kisses to all.
So I challenged her to do her makeup only in 3 minutes. You can find this challenge, my idea, at her channel, and I'm doing her idea here at my channel. So I'm gonna show you the palette to understand what we are talking about. So these are the 12 shades that I need to use on my eye makeup only. I think it's quite challenging because it has a lot of colors, it has neutrals as well. I love this palette. This is a very nice palette. But I don't know, I'm kind of afraid for the results. I don't know if this is gonna be wearable. The challenge is to create a wearable thing, like not a wearable in the sense like it's gonna be calm and nudish and stuff like that, but not a bad makeup. That's what I want to create. So if you're ready for this, let's start! Obviously, I will start by doing my eyebrows. These days I have bleached eyebrows, as you can clearly tell. And I'm gonna start by putting some eyeshadows on my brows. I was thinking if this was a cheat or not, since I'm doing eye makeup, but eyebrows, I think they are a part of my eyes, or I'm doing them kinda together, let's say. So I don't know, if you think that this is a cheat, please write a comment down below and I will do another challenge if you all decide, or the majority decides that I cheated. Anyway, for my eyebrows, I decided to choose these 2 shades, so Purplicious for the outer part, and for the inner part I will go with September. So the idea is to mix a red with a purple. Let's go and see it! For the actual eyes, I have flirted a lot with the idea of a colorful cut crease, but not the normal cut crease. So I'm thinking a 2-level cut crease, an open cut crease, 3 colors on the top, 3 colors down. So I'm thinking to start with the top, and for the top I'm gonna start by the shimmery shadows because I think that this will be the most vibrant and obvious shadows that I can use. So I will start by using Oldie but Goldie, then I will blend it with Try Me, and then I will finish my cut crease with Ocean Blue. Of course, this trio was kinda predictable if you know me and if you know my colorful preferences. So I'm gonna start here at the upper part and I will continue on camera. As you can see, I have finished with the upper part of my cut crease, and now I will move on to the bottom part. Let me tell you what I have used until now one more time. So I have used Purplicious, September, Oldie but Goldie, Try Me and Ocean Blue. And now for the bottom part, I'm gonna go with these 3 shadows. Transition, Coffee Eyes and Fall. I will start with the lighter and I will end up with the darker in order to give more dimension to my eyes. So I'm gonna start with Transition right now. Now, at my inner corner, I will add the shade Shine Bright, and under my eyebrow area, I will do a blend of Shine Bright and Glam. And as I noticed here that I did it at this eye, it gives a very nice duochrome effect, so I'm looking forward to go for it. After a long break, I'm here and I decided to do a smoked eyeliner in order to be able to use the black of the palette. So I'm gonna take the baddest black here and with a very thin and tiny brush, I will create my smoked eyeliner. At this point, as you can see, the only shadow that I haven't used, or actually glitter, is the only glitter of the palette, and it's called I Am The One, and I can definitely understand why she named this glitter I Am The One. Like, I definitely agree, the glitter is the one. The initial idea was to apply the glitter between my two lines inside there at the gap, but then it wasn't look that good, so I changed my plans and instead I decided to put it there on top of the smoked black eyeliner, and I think this is quite nice. I cannot apply false lashes because the glue will be exactly there, and then I will hide it, and then I have missed the point of the whole challenge today. So yeah, I will apply it at this eye as well for you to see it, and then at the bottom part of my eye here I will go with purple issues in order not to say that I have cheated by only using it on my eyebrows. And with this I feel that I have completed the challenge. Yay! Actually, this is the first challenge that I'm completing and I'm feeling quite happy and quite proud about the result. So this is a success for me. It's the first challenge that makes me happy. No, I actually have a good time doing challenges, but this one is a successful one, so extra points for me as well. So without any further talking, let's take my Carla glue. I will apply the glue there and then it's time for the glitter. As you can clearly tell, I have finished with my eye look, so I would like you to write a comment down below about what do you think about the execution of this challenge. Was I successful? I think that I was, but I would love to hear your comments. This is a makeup that I would happily wear to go outside, to do stuff, to go to the supermarket, because I'm going a little bit extra sometimes. You know, I usually have two completely opposite moods. I either go outside without any trace of makeup, absolutely nothing, only my sunscreen and that's it, or I will go full glam like this. I can go like this in Swedish lessons, in my lessons, like I have no limits basically when it comes to makeup, but this is one of the makeup that I would proudly wear to go outside. So yeah, now I'm going to do my base for the face off camera, since this is not a part of the challenge, so it's basically something very similar to what I'm always doing. I don't want to make this video boring at all, so I will turn off the camera, I will do my base, and while I'm doing this, you can subscribe to this channel in order to make sure that you will not miss any of the challenges or the collabs, because I have a little spoiler here, because I have a lot of things that are going on right now. I have some extra collabs that I don't really want to talk about it right now because these are not really fixed, but I have ideas, I have talked with people. Very interesting stuff are coming and I'm trying not to spoil in my mind, that's why I'm pausing what I'm saying. So if you don't want to miss any of these, just make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also the notification, why not? Look, you will hear something like that, something like my little bells here every time that I'm uploading a video, and in this way you will be a part of the family here. So yeah, I'm going now. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. Since this makeup was my first success when it comes to challenges, I would like to tell you the Greek word for success. So in Greek we say επιτυχία. Say with me, επιτυχία. As always, I'm gonna ask you to write a comment down below, but this time it will be different. So I would like you to describe me a success that you had in your life, something that you are very proud about. So I'm thinking that in this video we can share a lot of positivity and this will really make me very happy. So let's go people, let's share some επιτυχίες. And as you can see, this is the look that I did to the rest of my face, and I basically used all the products that I'm usually using, but today I would like to tell you some details about my highlighter, because I used this one right here. This is the Pale Pearl from Glossier, and also something different that I used today is this blush right here. This is from Rare Beauty. It's called Love and it's a very nice blush. Actually, the color is not very much me, that's why I'm not using it very often, but today I found that it was an ideal chance for me to use it, so here we have it. What do you think? But I'm gonna show you in details what I'm gonna do with my lips, since I want to do something different. First of all, I would like to start with this lip pencil right here. This is from Glam Shop and it has a Polish name, so you know I'm not even trying with these names. Polish is so difficult for me. So after this, I'm planning to use something very old as a product, not old in my collection, I bought it quite recently. So this is from the brand Kat Von D, the old brand, my favorite Kat Von D brand, not the brand that we have these days, which is kinda, let's not talk about it in this video, okay? So this is called Susperia and it's a very interesting purple. So I'm gonna start by applying this too. On the top of my lips, I will apply this duochrome eyeshadow. This is from Glam Shop in the shade Draught. Fortunately, they have an English name on it. I'm very happy that I can say it to you. And on the top, I'm gonna apply some gloss in order to make them extra glowy. And for today, I'm choosing this gloss right here. This is from Gummy Kisses. This is an American indie brand. I'm in love with their packages. I'm in love with the way that they're presenting their products. They are just amazing. So let's put the duochrome and then let's admire this gloss together. And this was our video for today. I hope that you enjoy the makeup. I hope that you like the idea of doing this challenge. If you want to recreate this look, if you want to do this challenge with a palette that you own, please tag me. I'm very curious to see your creations. Also, you can message me on Instagram, and if you're not following me already there, my Instagram page is Catlady Antigoni. I'm gonna leave it down here. You can go and see this look, see some close-ups, zoom in a little bit, have it a little bit more still, because I know I'm moving a lot at my videos, but I'm really enjoying what I'm doing. That's why I'm moving a lot. Also, you can follow Stefania at her Instagram. You can go and subscribe at her page, and don't forget to see my challenge at her channel. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. See you next time with a body paint. Until then, bye!